everyone. Welcome to Auntie Nell's Kitchen and happy springtime. So let's take care of a little housekeeping. Sorry guys, I missed you guys. When life gives you lemons, you do what? You make lemonade. I get a lot of lemons, so I drink a lot of lemonade. And my apron even says, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. And that's what we are going to do. We're going to make lemonade, not Kool-Aid, not Crystal Light, although I love Crystal Light. We're going to make good old country, deep down southern lemonade. Yes. So hold on a moment and we'll get started. All right, let's get started turning these lemons into some lemonade. Yeah, you know, this is a, help me out guys. We got 64 ounce pitcher. This is my pitcher that I use for my stuff. Even though they're gonna end up drinking this up. Yes, you know, when you never have nothing for yourself, ladies. When you married and have children, chillins, you never have nothing for yourself. That's just it. That's it. And what we're gonna need, I'm using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lemons. You know, these 6 washed lemons. And these lemons have them, when you buy them, they're hard. They're hard. These are soft now. You have to roll and roll and roll and roll. Let me show you what rolling is. You put them on a hard table, a cutting board, whatever, and you have to roll. You have to roll and roll and roll. I have a roller. Yeah, she's 20. Yeah, I have a roller, in-house roller. Okay, 2 cups of sugar, but I'm not using sugar. I'm using Splenda because this is for mother. So, lemon squeezer. This is easier to me because I can capture my seeds. And sometimes the teeny weeny baby ones get through, but you know, you scoop that out now. You don't want to swallow seeds. And so we're going to get started. You need a knife because we got to cut them. Can't get the juice out if we don't cut them, right? So we're going to start off, cut them. I like to do this. I like to trim the edge off. I'm going to throw that over there. This is something I do. You don't have to do it. And what I do, you just plop this baby in there, in here. You see, I use a bowl first. Get my juice. Show you what I'm doing, because you didn't get to see what Auntie was doing. You know, this is what they did. You know, there was no Kool-Aid and none of that. And see, I have some seeds that came through my little holes, but that's okay. We're not going to drink the seeds. Throw that over there for a little housekeeping. Okay, we're going to do this. Another one. So, because you didn't really get to see what Auntie was doing the first time. Going to squeeze this lemon. The lemon is not hard. It's my hands, guys. The lemon isn't hard. It's soft. It's my hands. So, give me a moment. Because I need to get all that goodness out of there now. You don't leave any juice behind. You want to get all your goodness out. And if any seeds get caught around here, you want to clear that out. Okay. We're going to do one more, and then I'm going to just shove the be back in a little bit and get all these squeezed out. Little housekeeping. Squeeze that juice. I say use a deep bowl because that juice may splatter, and you want to keep all your goodness. Keep all your goodness. See, I'm all springy. I have on all yellow and white. I feel so good today. I'm so glad I'm having a really good day, and I hope you're having a really good day. Move this knife out the way if I cut myself. Put that back in there. Do this one. Squeeze. Get all that goodness out. Look at that. Look at all that goodness, guys. I tell you the truth. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. I tell you the truth. Just smelling that goodness. Guys, I'm going to take care of these 4. You got a lemon with a little spot on it. You know, you're not going to eat that. So, you know, that's okay because you're squeezing the goodness out. So, we'll be right back together again. Let me get these 4 squeezed and we'll be back. All right, we're on down to our last lemon. One good important thing, my friends, is that if you're gonna buy 6, don't buy 6 lemons. I said it takes 6 lemons to make this picture, whatever word it is. Buy 7 because you're gonna need an extra lemon to the side, also washed, and we're gonna slice that. So we're gonna put. I went and grabbed that, washed it, and we're going to put this to the side. This lemon right here, this little baby goes to the side. And going to squeeze this last bit of goodness out of here. See, I got seeds in here. So I just want to dump it in. Let me show you something. Now, when you squeeze your lemons using one of these, and you see you got that right there, all that right there. There's goodness in there. You want to get that out of there. So all you got to do is just plop that on that side. That's all right. That means it helped add some extra goodness in there. That's all right, old buddy. Throw that one, those seeds out there. Last little baby. Then we'll be rocking, not cooking, but rocking. We're going to get to stirring. I should have had me a cup of ice ready to go. No, all the goodness, this is all the goodness right now. Yep, that baby dry as a desert. Throw that over there for a little housekeeping. All right. I don't care about that right now. Okay. All right, let's get to doing what we do. Let's get Auntie doing what she do. Okay, you see, I have a sleeve. Not a sleeve. This little thingy here. Guys, sometimes y'all bear with me. For those of you that don't know, Auntie, sometimes I can't get the names of things that they are. That's okay. Real life here, honey. Real life. I don't get retakes. This is not the perfect kitchen, but it's mine. So there are no shiny chromes and things like that. So that's not here. But you know what is here? It's a lot of love. It's a lot of love. So you see I got all of that in there. Look at that. I can't tell you how much it is. But you know, I can get a measuring cup for you. Let's see how much juice we got. You know, when you use concentrated juice, it's when you use fresh juice, it's way more powerful than that Kool-Aid powder stuff concoction. This is 6 ounces of fresh lemon juice. Okay. I'm going to take my 2 cups of Splenda. Throw that in there. Dump it on in there. Now, if you want to add a little more, because you know, I'm going to taste it to make sure it's got the desired amount of Splenda. I'm going to get my water. You stirring that around while the water fills up. You know, when I was little, my grandmama had a well. Oh, that was some good water. That well water. You can't drink well water now because it's so full of different types of minerals. You can't drink well water now. You get sick, really sick. And my friend that I used to work with, she had a well, and she was drinking well water, and that's all she was drinking. It messed her kidneys up so bad she had to get a stent. But dude, that well water, oh my goodness. That water was so good and so cold. I don't know how it stayed so cold down in the ground. But it was so, well, I guess it's well. Got my sugar. I'm going to stir this up really, really good. This is what we done. At all our family reunions down in the country, they had this big number 10 tub. You all don't know what I'm talking about. And if you're from the country you know what a number 10 tub is. It was a huge, big metal tub. And they would go and they would buy big blocks of ice and take an ice pick and chunk the ice up in a tub, and all the grandmamas would be rolling lemons. They'd be in the house rolling lemons, and the children would run in there. Get out of here! Go outside and play. The children ain't got no business in here. Well, they ain't call us children, they call them children's. Get them children out of here. So this is, let's see what this tastes like for Mother. Get one of my cups. See my little cups? Everything is small for Auntie. Let's see. I want me some more Slumber though. I do want that. I think I'm gonna add about I ain't adding nothing if I don't cut it open. I forget adding anything. I ain't adding jack. I ain't adding nothing but running my mouth. Okay. I think I'm going to go with about a half a cup. Maybe. Let's see. I'm going to go with a half a cup. Is that a half a cup? That's 3/4. That's 1/3. Nah, I ain't going with no half cup. I'm going to go with 2/3. And I'm telling you, they end up drinking it up anyway. But I won't let them drink none today. If I drink that, they gonna drink that powder pink lemonade stuff. And you know, I'm telling you guys, you know you can turn this into pink lemonade. You really can. Lemonade, there's no pink lemons, okay? The Lord ain't put pink lemons on the tree, okay? I really want to grow me a lemon tree, and I keep saying every year I'm gonna grow one. But you want pink lemonade? This is your key, ladies and gentlemen. Pink lemonade. Add your little drop or two according to how pink you want it. And if you don't want to use that, you can use beet juice. Or you can take you some, if you want strawberry lemonade, throw you some strawberries in here. You can, you start off with this basic lemonade recipe. Honey, you can throw fruit, mango, pineapple, raspberry, blackberries, and it becomes, finish that, so 'cause I don't want to mess up my, good. This is what my daddy used to say. Good. I feel good. Now that's what I'm talking about. All right, guys. I'm going to take this and put the top on and put it in the fridge. Ooh, baby. I'm going to put my top on. I never fill it to the top, guys. And that is it. Now, voila, we have our fresh, homemade, deep southern lemonade. Yep. And number 10 tub was like this big, about that deep. From like this deep. But thanks, guys, for jumping in with and hanging out with Auntie Knows how she makes this lemonade. And, this is really good. You serve this at your function, I'm telling you. They won't even touch the soft drinks. They won't, honey. And it's cheaper, too. So, until next time, love you guys. Thank you for all your support. Like and subscribe. And for those of you that are returning, welcome back. I'll see you in the next upload. Bye.